Hi everyone, this is Quinn from Power Admin. Today I'm going to show you how to run a configuration audit report. This is a very handy report when you're trying to find out information about how you've configured your monitoring system, finding servers, finding actions, etc. So let's dive right into this. First we're going to go to the Generate Ad Hoc section. Then we're going to come underneath the System Summary Reports and we're going to select Configuration Audit. Then we're going to walk through each of the tabs just like we normally do. We're going to select Report Display Type. For this report, I'm going to leave it at the default of Table Dynamic. Under Source Data, I'm going to make sure that this box is checked so that I'm getting all the data for my configuration. Report Group. Just going to select the ad hoc report group that's displayed underneath the View Existing Reports. And then we'll get to all of the configuration settings for this report. There are three sections to this. The first one is this top section that you'll see here, and that will give you the ability to select which servers and groups that you want to run this report on. The second is the report format. Now, there's a couple of ways to run this. There are three options here. HTML will allow you to run the report in the type of report that is listed under Report, Display, and Type. But if you want a text version or an XML version of your configuration, it will create the report, and then when we run this report, it will give you a link to where that report was saved, and then you can use an editor to go and open and edit or open and view the contents of the report. For our purpose today, we're going to leave it on the HTML. And then the rest of these filters and parameters are what do you want to show in the report. And you can get lots of information. And remember, the more information you gather, the longer the report is. And even like the show monitor configuration, that can make and generate a very large report that might be hard to navigate through and read through. But if you need to see it, you need to see it. So we're going to run a quick report today just to show you how to run this. You can come up to monitors here and select the monitor type that you want to display. I want all of them, so I'm going to leave that selected that way. Then you can select the group of servers that you want to run this report on, and you can run it at the top node or any smaller group that you have, and I'm just going to pick a small group that I have selected here. Then you can select custom properties, and I'm not going to select on those. Now what I want to do is, what do I want to see in my report? Well, I want to see the monitor, so I'm going to select yes on that. I want to see how the server is being monitored, whether it be by the central service or from a satellite, so the monitored by service. Then I want to see the actions that are attached to each of the monitors, and I've selected yes there. And then I also want to see the IDs for the computer's monitors and actions. This will give me some information that I can use while sorting through log files, and I can search for those IDs and find the exact information I need. So let's go ahead and run the report. Click on Generate. And as you can see, it came up pretty quick, and this is the table dynamic, so we can sort these columns and expand them, and so we can see and view the data much clearer for us. So you can see that it's selected the servers, how they're monitored by. It automatically puts in the maintenance period if there is any scheduled maintenance periods, the monitor type and its ID, how often it runs, and then any actions and how they are configured to run. And as we scroll through here, you can see the difference in some of them where it says due immediately and every 2 minutes after that. But that's how you run this report. It's a quick and easy report, but it's a good tool to find what you're looking for within your monitoring configuration. Have a great day.